Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CreoEngine token. Ticker symbol is CREO. Now this is a BEP20 token, and it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange coming soon. We're going to talk about a couple different ways how you could get the token and some info on this token in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their webpage can be found at CreoEngine.com. Their white paper can be found at creoengine.gitbook.io/white paper. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, and it was just announced that they are getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting March 8th at 12 p.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Gate. Now, Gate is not available in everybody's country, in everybody's area, so we are going to go over another way to get this token as well if you're not able to use Gate. So you can get this token by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or getting Gate.io, opening an account on your PC. So first you would open an account and then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CREO on March 8th, and then simply just buy the token. Or, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token, it is even available now, even before the Gate listing, on PancakeSwap. So if Gate is not available in your area, or you want to get this before the Gate listing, they already have 11,726 holders. And so you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the CREO token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, CreoEngine.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We'll go over that in a second here. Token price today, according to their BSC scan, is about 8 cents. Fully diluted market cap, $83.6 million. Circulating supply market cap, $24.4 million, 18 decimal places. And there is a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, how those tokens are split up here: 3% go to the seed round, 4.5% private round, 2% pre-public round, 1.5% initial DEX offering sale, 10% team, 5% advisors, 14% game development, 10% staking rewards, 9% ecosystem fund, 5% affiliate and marketing, 20% play to earn, 10% liquidity, 3% reserves and incentives, and 3% partnerships. Now, there is a Twitter you can follow at CREO_engine. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project. On their Twitter, you'll see right there they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. It's got a link to their app, and it has a link to their webpage, CreoEngine.com. 85,800 Twitter followers. It says they are followed by Gate and MEXC Global on there, so most likely they will be getting an MEXC Global listing, or it might even already be on MEXC Global. I haven't checked yet, but I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box if you guys don't have an account. Now, CreoEngine is an ecosystem filled with a vision for Asia's future of digital entertainment and financial welfare. With its powerful blockchain technology, CreoEngine aims to be the foundation of all Web3 gaming systems in the region, providing developers with a robust and secure platform to build upon. But it's not just about gaming. CreoEngine promotes financial welfare in mobile gaming, opening up new opportunities for creators and users alike. One of the key strengths of CreoEngine is its ease of use, making it accessible to developers and users of all skill levels. This ease of use extends beyond gaming, as CreoEngine plans to integrate itself into several daily essential platforms that people use, such as social media, e-commerce, and more. By doing so, CreoEngine is creating a more connected and accessible metaverse that's not just for gamers, but it's for everyone. CreoEngine is more than just an ecosystem. It's a movement reshaping how we think about digital entertainment and financial welfare in Asia. With its emphasis on accessibility, security, and integration, CreoEngine is well positioned to be a major player in the region's growing metaverse economy. So their mission, our primary mission is to create the best platform with a positive impact on people's life while bringing better welfare for those that we serve, all within our healthy ecosystem. So they go over a bunch of challenges. So one of them is incompatible hard-earned value assets and features in between games. Game assets die when the game itself dies, resulting in no legacy and loss of users' investments. The absence of a secured marketplace makes trades between users prone to fraud and violation. Need for a trusted, high-quality game platform that curates games and provides a reliable environment for developers and players. The lack of base knowledge and tools for developers to join the Web3 game space, and the lack of real-life utility from the gaming experience, aka RWAs, real-world assets. So their solutions are asset interoperability features, legacy of assets, a marketplace for any asset, a curated library of games, seamless integration and support for developers, and real-world utility for gaming assets. Now, within the ecosystem, they have a whole bunch of different games here. Slime Haven, they have one called Puff, and then they have Eyes Per Chain, and Evermore Nights. So a whole bunch of different games involved in this ecosystem. So they have the play-to-earn game platform, the core game platform, the engine of in-house games, the universal asset NFTs, interoperable features. They use artificial intelligence, and they use real-world assets. And we have the token. So the tokens utility. So governance token in Creo Play, token staking program to earn rewards, platform fees for marketplace transactions, Creo dApps and NFT purchases, liquidity, staking for developers, incubation program, and rewards. And so there's also burning mechanisms as well. And yeah, it looks like it says Q2 2022, they're getting listed on MEXC Global and PancakeSwap, and that's in their roadmap on here. And so they're going to come out with all sorts of different NFTs and game stuff and swap features, marketplace stuff, stores, all these different things, staking implemented, developer tools, all sorts of brand new exchange listings after that as well. And you can find all this information on creoengine.gitbook.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.